Preparing for the ServiceNow CIS Discovery and Service Mapping CIS-DFS exam. In this video, we will revise the most important CMDB topics exactly in the exam order with clear technical examples and easy real-life memory tricks to help you answer scenario-based questions confidently. Hello everyone. This video is designed specifically for CIS-DFS exam certification exam revision. We will cover the most important CMDB and CSDM concepts that are frequently asked in the exam. For each topic, we will follow the clear exam-friendly structure. The simple meaning, technical example, real-life example, and core concept. This approach will help you understand scenario-based questions quickly and recall answers accurately during the CIS-DFS exam. Let's start. Here, what is the purpose of CA class manager? Option A, manage CA relationships. Option B, create and manage CA class hierarchy and attributes. Option C, monitor CMDB health. Option D, import CA data from external systems. The correct answer is create and manage CA class hierarchy and attributes. So we'll more depth about the manage CA class hierarchy and attributes. The simple meaning of CA class manager is CA means configuration item. CA class manager is used to define different CA classes and their attributes. Let's say an example of server, database, and application are different CA classes. Each class has its own set of attributes. And we will take the real life example. In a hospital, patients are categorized as child, adult, and senior citizen. Each category has different medical details. The core concept is CA class manager defines class hierarchy, attributes, and inheritance relationships. The next question is, which concept ensures that the same CA from multiple data sources is matched correctly? Option A, discovery patterns. Option B, CA identifiers. Option C, business rules. Option D, CMDB health. The correct answer is CA identifiers. So what is CA identifiers? CA identifiers uniquely identify a CA and prevent duplicate records. Let's say an example. A server can be identified using serial number, IP address, or host name. This is a common example. And we'll go to the real life example is, let's say in a hospital identifies a patient using Aadhaar card, Aadhaar number, patient ID, or phone number. So in this core concept is, identifiers help IRE match incoming data with the correct existing CA. The next question is, what is the role of reconciliation rules in the CMDB? Option A, prevent CA creation. Option B, decide which data source can be updated specific CA attributes. Option C, monitor CA lifecycle. Option D, generate CMDB reports. The correct answer is option B, decide which data source can be updated attributes. So reconciliation rules. So what are the reconciliation rules? Reconciliation rules decide which data source is trusted when multiple sources update the same CA. The most usually example is, if discovery and SCCM send different values for the same server attribute, the higher priority source value is accepted. Let's say a real life example is, if two doctors provide different BP readings, the hospital touch the senior doctor's report among them. Like that, we can core concept as reconciliation rule defines source priority and attributes update the control. Next question. Which CSDM domain focus on managing technical infrastructure services? Option A, design domain. Option B, sell or consume domain. Option C, manage technical services domain. Option D, build domain. The correct answer is manage technical services domain. So what is technical services domain? CSDM domain, technical services layer. The technical service layer contains application, services, and their supporting technical component. Let's say an example of an online banking service depends on web servers, application servers, and databases. And a real life example is a heart surgery service in a hospital depends on surgeons, operation theater equipment, and machines. The important core concept is this layer manages technical infrastructure that support business services. The next question is, what is the main purpose of service mapping in CMDB? Option A, create CA identifiers. Option B, map business service to underlying infrastructure components. Option C, monitor CA performance. Option D, import CA data from cloud providers. The correct answer is map business services to infrastructure. So what is service mapping here? Service mapping shows how a business service depends on applications and infrastructure. Let's say an example of the email service depends on the application server. The application server depends on the database. The database depends on the network. Let's say real life example is a patient treatment service depends on the doctors, lab systems, medical equipment, and pharmacy services. Same concept. Service mapping connects business services to applications and infrastructure CIs. The next question is, which concepts represents the stages of CI goes through from creation to retirement? Option A, CA governance. Option B, CA lifecycle. Option C, CA relationship model. Option D, CA data model. The correct answer is CA lifecycle. Option B. So what is CA lifecycle? A CA moves through different stages from creation to retirement. Let's say an example of a server is created, becomes active in production, and later gets retired. So let's say real life example is a human life goes through birth, adulthood, old age, and death stages. Best example is our life, human life. So the core concept is CA life cycle ensures CMDB reflects the current operational status of the CA. So what is the primary purpose of data certification in CMDB governance? Option A, automatically discover new CAs. Option B, validate and confirm accuracy of CA data by owners. Option C, define CA class hierarchy. Option D, reconciliation duplicate CA records. The correct answer is option B, validate and confirm CA data accuracy. So what is data certification? Data certification verifies periodically whether CA data is still accurate. So example is a CA owner reviews and confirms that server details in CMDB are still valid. Real life example is a doctor contacts a patient yearly to confirm health details are still correct. So the core concept is certification ensures data accuracy and confirms whether the CA is still active or not. So next question is, which CMDB capability allows importing normalized data from external systems in a standardized model? Option A, import sets. Option B, service graph connectors. Option C, discovery schedules. Option D, mid-server patterns. The correct answer is service graph connectors. So what is service graph connectors? Service graph connectors automatically import CMDB data from external tools in a standardized format. So example is AWS, Azure, and SCCM send infrastructure data directly into the CMDB using service graph connectors. Real life example is a hospital receives patient reports from external labs, scan centers, and partner clinics. So the important concept is service graph connectors standardize and automate external data injection into the CMDB. So next question is, what is the purpose of CA ownership in CMDB governance? Option A, assign incidents to users. Option B, define responsible person for maintaining CA accuracy. Option C, create CA relationships. Option D, monitor CA performance metrics. The correct answer is define responsible person for CA accuracy. So what is CA ownership? So each CA must have an owner responsible for maintaining its accuracy and lifecycle. So a specific team for our application, one is responsible for maintaining server CA data in CMDB. Let's the real life example is every patient has a primary doctor who maintains and updates the patient medical records. The important concept is CA ownership ensures accountability, data accuracy, and proper lifecycle management. Next question and last question. Which concept describes managing CMDB data from multiple discovery and integration sources? Option A, multiple source CMDB. Option B, service mapping. Option C, event management. Option D, configuration editing. The correct answer is option A, multi-source CMDB. So what is multi-source CMDB? Multi-source CMDB means CA data is collected from multiple tools and merged into one trusted record. The technical example is CMDB data comes from discovery, import sets, integrations, and service graph connectors. Let's say real life example is a patient full medical record is created using lab reports, scan results, and doctor notes. So important core concept is multi-source CMDB builds a unified and trusted CA dataset using multiple ingestion sources and IRE reconciliation. So finally, revision of core concepts. So here class manager is design CA categories and fields. CA identifiers are the unique keys to match same CA. Reconciliation rules decide which data sources wins. CSDM technical layer, infra supporting business services. Service mapping, it's a link business service to infra. CA lifecycle. So lifecycle of the data, it will create active retire stages. Data certification. So nothing but periodical accuracy validation. Service graph connectors are the import data from external tools like that AWS, Azure, Qualys, like that. CA ownerships, responsible person for CA. And multi-source CMDB is the CMDB fed from many data sources. That's all, guys. I hope this topic will clarify so much. Thank you. Wish you all the best.